Welcome back to my channel. This is the Majorette Takashimaya Singapore 3-pack exclusive that comes in Zamac finish. Thanks to Majorette for sending me this box set for review. The casting included are Dodge Challenger, Chevy Camaro, and Ford F-150. And now let's unbox the package. It comes in a simple and elegant collector card with the production run printed, in which this case is 4,906 over 5,000 piece. The reverse shows the Takashimaya 25th anniversary logo as well as Majorette. Although it comes in Zamac body for the Dodge Challenger, I like the finishing in gloss coat. It somehow makes it look premium. I like the wheel set as well with white trimmings, which I almost mistaken that is a rubber wheel set. It comes with opening door and added suspension. I like the details on the front and the rear. It comes printed with the Takashimaya 25th anniversary logo. However, in my opinion, the logo doesn't really stand out. I guess it may stand out better with a thicker white border around its logo. Next is my favorite among the three, the Chevy Camaro. It comes with the Takashimaya logo and the Majorette logo, which was not printed on the Dodge. This limited edition casting will sit very well with the rest of my Camaro collection. And I must mention that the overall look and feel, including the finishing, looks awesome on this Camaro. Next is the tough and rugged Ford F-150 truck. Unlike the Camaro and Dodge, it does not come with opening doors, but comes with an opening hood instead. The Ford logo is printed on both front and rear, which stands out a lot, and the side is the Takashimaya logo. To be frank, I'm not a fan of the wheel set for this Ford F-150, but overall, it's a very great and sturdy casting. I guess Majorette will launch more Zamac casting in future, so if you are in Takashimaya, do pop by the Majorette section to check it out. It's located at level 4. Thanks everyone, bye!